Hello everyone. Today good morning. So today I came up with one of the daily question. I came in the Leetcode. So it is 1716. It's an easy question, and it says like so. Basically, it's an easy question only, and it says like we have the Leetcode bank, and Hersey is investing every day some amount of money. And how much he is investing? He start on the Monday. He is starting with the $1, and from every Tuesday to Sunday, he is incrementing his whatever he invested one day before, and he will be put $1 more than whatever he invested in the previous day. And whenever next Monday will come, then he will add one extra whatever he added in the previous Monday. Okay, and the question has been asked like if for the given n, we have to tell like how much money, how much balance will be there in the Hersey account after the nth day. Okay, so it will go like this in the first week. In the first week, Hersey will invest 1 rupees, then 2 rupees on Tuesday, Wednesday 3 rupees, 4 rupees, until Sunday 7 rupees. And on the in the next week, starting from the Monday, because he invested in the previous week 1 rupees, now he will invest 2 rupees. Okay, and so in the first week the total will be count up to the 28. If the question will ask after the 7 days, then we will have 1 week and the answer will be 28. Suppose the answer is asking for the whole week, like after the 7 days, after the 8 days, after the 9 days, then we can give the sum of it. But the days can be partial in a week, like it can ask for the 20 days. 20 days means 2 whole week plus 6 extra days. Okay, then we have to compute like how we will have to compute. So suppose for example n is equal to 4. First the Hersey will invest rupees 1, and then 2, and then 3 and 4, like this. So total amount, the total balance in the Hersey account will be 10 rupees. Similarly for day 10, in the first week he will invest the whole day, and then the total amount for after the first week will be 28, and extra 3 days remaining. Okay, 7 days, 8 days, 9 days, 10 days, and then in the 10th day he will have a balance of whole week plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So it will be 37. Whole week plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 37. Okay, now if the suppose for the third n is equal to 20, n is equal to 20, first whole week, second whole week, and the third 6 days. Okay, 7 days plus 6 days whole, it will make 20 days. So total the Hersey amount, the balance in the Hersey's account will be plus 8 for the first week, and for the second week, and for the remaining 6 days. So now we will have a two solution for it. So I am going to discuss the first solution first, and it will be easier only. It is very easier. Just we have to traverse all the day, and we have to keep on incrementing the investment money whatever the Hersey is going to invest in his bank account. So first one, here we will initialize the Monday investment. So there we will have keep the Monday's investment, like in each week how much Hersey is investing in a Monday, and traverse all day incrementing the investment. Okay, and what we will do, we will be traversing, basically what we will do, we will be traversing for each day. Okay, now whenever the Monday will come, we will increment the whatever the thing we invested on in the next in the previous Monday. Then so when every Monday will come, we will initialize the Monday investment, and based on the Monday investment, we will find out like how much Hersey has to invest in each day. Okay, so and I've written the basic snippet of my code, so it will be easier only. So what I am doing, I am just initializing the Monday investment. So first day the Monday investment will be 0. Okay, initializing with the 0, and then we have a count, we have an answer. So starting from the first day, on the first day Monday investment will be 1. It will be incremented by 1, because initial it's a simple code. In the first week it will be 1, in the second week it will be 2, in the third week it will be 3, because I am taking I mod 7. I mod 7 is equal to 1 means Monday. So what we will do, whenever the Monday will come, we will traverse for all the day. Whenever Monday will come, we will increment the Monday investment, and then also along with that we will also basically update the count value. Count is nothing but it is the investment value which Hersey is going to invest on that particular ith day. So on the ith day, Hersey will invest on the Monday, Hersey will invest on the count, and the count we will add into the answer. If it will be not Monday, then it will come here, and the remaining days it will increment the count, whatever the count was there in the previous week, previous day, and then update the answer. After whole n days, it will return the answer. Okay, so talking about the complexity of it, the total time complexity is order of n, because we are traversing one loop of n size n, okay, for loop, and the space complexity is order of 1, because we haven't taken any extra spaces, just remaining the variable we took. So this is one solution. This is taking the time complexity of order of n. So we have to reduce it. We have another better approach. So it will be mathematical approach. So kindly pay attention, and it will be easy only. It will be not that much hard. Okay. Now what we will do? So what we will do? We will try to compute how much Hershey is investing for whole week, for whole complete week, whatever the complete week will be asked, and whatever the in the last week there will be some partial day. For that, those partial days I will compute. Okay, let's see what I am going to do. Okay, so suppose we want to find for whole x week. Suppose answer will ask for the x week, whole x weeks, like in the multiple, the days should be multiple of 7. Okay, for the 7 days, for 14 days, for 21 days, then the total money will be 28 plus 28 plus 7 plus 28 plus 2 into 7 plus 28 plus 3 into 7 for third week, for fourth week 4 into 7, 5 into 7, 6 into 7. Okay, for x week it will be 28 for first week, 7 plus 28 for second week, 7 plus 7 into 2 plus 28 for third week. Similarly, for the xth week, it will be 7 into x minus 1 plus 28. Okay, so you can see the pattern is getting created. Okay, now what we will do, we will sum it up. When we will sum it up, it will be 28, 28, 28. It will be x minus 1 time. Sorry, it will be x minus 1 time plus 1 more time. So it will be x time. So it will be 28 into x plus, we will extract out the 7 from here. So it will be 7 into 1 plus 7 into 2 plus 7 into x minus 1. So it will be, when we will group it, so it will be 7, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and till x minus 1. So it is creating the AP arithmetic progression series. So now when 1 to x, the basically when we have to sum plus 1, 2 plus 3 plus till x, then the sum will be x into x plus 1 by 2. So similar way we calculated it. So the arithmetic series is going till 1 to 3 to x minus 1, then it will be x minus 1 into x by 2. So if the whole week will be given, so total sum will be 28 into x plus 7 into x minus 1 into x by 2. Now the question is like, suppose the number of day is given, which is not in a multiple of 7. Basically it is not a whole week. Then we have to find out the whatever the balance Hershey is investing in the last week, basically in the last partial week. Now it will be easy only. Now we will have the partial week remaining. Suppose number of day remaining in the last week is y. On the first day, he will be investing x, because every Monday he is incrementing by 1, 1, 1. So on the xth week, because we had x week whole week, now it will be x plus 1 week, x plus 1th week. So in the x plus 1th week, in the first week he invested 1 rupees, in the second week he invested 2 rupees, in the third week he invested 3 rupees. Now he will be investing in the first week, he will be investing x. Okay, now in the second day he will be investing x plus 1, until he will be in the y day he will be investing x plus y. So total balance for the last partial week will be x plus 1 till x plus y. Now what we will do, we will take out the x and it will be x into y. Now we will take out the y. Okay, 1 plus 2 into plus 3 plus 4, and it will be y. So it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 till y, right? Now we will, the mathematical, after computing it, then it will become x into y plus arithmetic series again, it will be y into y plus 1 by 2. So it is a second, let's say second equation. Now what my answer will be. So now coming to the actual question, what question has asked. Now total money at the last of nth day, it will be total balance from the full weeks plus total balance from the last partial week. So total balance from the full week we have computed in the first equation, it will be here, we will directly keep it here, and the total balance from the last partial week will be here, we have discussed, and we'll put it here. Now it will be sum of it. Now just we will sum it and we will return it, then it will give answer. Okay, so talking about the complexity of it, so since we are not requiring any loop or anything, so the complexity will be 1. We are just requiring one mathematical operation, one mathematical computation. Okay, then it will be order of 1, and the space complexity will be order of 1 because we haven't taken any space for any data structure. Okay, so we have a solution with us. So what is the solution is saying, like so I have created one extra function to calculate the sum of the arithmetic progression series. Okay, so it will be nothing but if we have a, so it means what this function will do, when we will pass x, so it will return the answer to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 till x. So the answer to this will be x into x plus 1 by 2. Okay, so here x into x plus 1 by 2. Now, so total money will be, first thing first, it will be, I just computed 28 into x, and then I computed 7 into arithmetic series of x minus 1, 7 into arithmetic series of x minus 1. To the answer only I added again x into y from here, and then again sum of the progression series of y, and it is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer, and I believe like this is the optimal approach. And in the interview, whenever first tell them the basic approach, and follow-up question will be, can you optimize it? Then this will be the good option. Okay, thank you for today. From tomorrow onward I will be continuing this. So just I have one disclaimer, like I started this video making recently, so you will get a lot more glitches, lot more issues. Kindly ping me in the comment if you are facing any issue, or if you are facing any problem with my voice or anything. Just kindly comment it out, and whatever the problem you're facing, like I'm not able to make you understand or anything, wherever you're not able to understand properly, then please comment it out, and I will try to help you as much as I can. Okay, thank you, bye bye.